Pull the tubing away from the hearing aid. Then pull the tubing out of the ear mould. Use scissors to trim the new tubing so that it tapers at one end. Thread the tapered end of the tubing through the outside of the ear mould. Pull the tubing through the ear mould till it reaches the start of the bend, ensuring that the tubing remains upright. Trim the excess tubing from the end of the ear mould. Using the old piece of tubing as a guide, trim the tubing to the correct length. Attach the tubing back onto the elbow of the hearing aid.